Hi, my name is Sue, and we bought the battery from SolarTech. We got SolarTech because they actually would install a battery even though our solar system was not installed by them. In fact, it was installed, we had two sections that were installed by different companies. So they actually agreed to do it and nobody else would. That was the first thing, but we have been really happy with their customer service ever since. Um, they're very good. The battery we used is a local one that was made in Poway, and they're very good about calling us if they have to do an update. So we're really, really happy with it. We did not get the Tesla wall. We ended up with the other one, and we actually like it, I think, a lot better. They also, SolarTech saved us a bunch of money. The fan and the inverter of our first set of solar panels was really old. And when it gave it up, and then the inverter kept shutting itself off because it kept getting too hot. So I ended up calling SolarTech to come and fix it because the company that installed our first panels doesn't even exist anymore. And the SolarTech person came out and informed us that there was an extra inverter inside of our battery. So that saved us a few $1,000s. We did not have to buy a new inverter. They just rewired it into the one that's inside the battery itself. So we've been really, really happy. And the other thing that happened was between when we signed the contract and when it was, well, after we signed the contract and we had it all installed, we were supposed to get a big rebate from the state. And that was in September. And then in October, whatever commission it was, decided to stop the rebates unless you were under a certain amount of income, and we missed it by just a few $1,000s. And SolarTech immediately called us and said, we're really sorry. Oh, they backdated it to August. That was the problem. They decided this in October and they backdated it to August, and we got caught in that months in between. And SolarTech did everything. I mean, they actually said they would uninstall it for us if we didn't want to do it anymore. But we really like our battery because SDG&E shuts off our power frequently when the winds are blowing, and we have a well. And without the well, we have no water. So when they shut off our electricity, we had no water, which is why we ended up getting the battery. But back to the problem. So SolarTech stayed on it. They found another rebate for us. They've been really helpful. They did all the paperwork on it. So yeah, would I recommend these guys? Absolutely. They've done a really good job for us, and we're really, really happy with the work. And I hope that's what you need to know. But yeah, they're cool. We like them. So go for it. Thanks.